with meteorologist Jeff Donovan.
Good afternoon and welcome back to Newswatch 12 Midday as we take a live look out at Medford from the People's Bank on Biddle Road. So much dense smoke out there right now. My friend and colleague Haley Gravitt over the break was saying Friday the 13th, the smoke is kind of giving us eerie vibes, and there's no doubt about that as we look out there this midday. In fact, not only eerie vibes, unhealthy vibes as well, as we are seeing unhealthy air quality across a wide portion of southern Oregon and northern California, even very unhealthy towards Klamath Falls. It is another one of those days that if you can spend time indoors today, that is a recommended approach. You don't want to be outside breathing in this air, and if you have to be outdoors, wearing one of those N95 masks is certainly a good recommendation. We are still under an air quality alert until 5 p.m. this afternoon for all of southern Oregon counties, and don't be too surprised if this is extended because we are going to continue to see some smoke concerns as we go throughout the next couple of days as well. Taking a look at the satellite radar picture, if you joined us for Newswatch 12 this morning, there were some ongoing thunderstorms in our region. We're not seeing thunderstorms right now per se, but we still are looking at some moisture filtering into southern Oregon and northern California, still looking at some potential showers, and it is this moisture coming to us from the south that is going to allow us to see thunderstorm development later this afternoon and into this evening. Temperature-wise, we are in the low to mid-80s right now in our west side valleys. Low to mid-80s as well in Siskiyou County, and then east of the Cascades, upper 70s to mid-80s. Currently, we are seeing another hot day taking shape across the region, even though we are still seeing the smoke and some of these showers. Along the Oregon coastline today, expect some smoky skies, even in Curry County. Temperatures will be topping out in the 60s. As we go into Siskiyou County, we are going to be tracking thunderstorm development later this afternoon and into this evening. Temperatures going to be very warm into the mid-90s to low 100s. We are going to be concerned about new wildfire starts as we go further into the day. That's also going to be the story east of the Cascades, where temperatures this afternoon will top out in the low to mid-90s. Scattered thunderstorms east of the Cascades. In fact, it is Klamath and Lake County that's going to be looking at the most pronounced thunderstorm activity on the afternoon. As we go into our mountains, 90 degrees today at Lake of the Woods, but then mid to upper 90s through Prospect and Butte Falls. Still looking at that chance of a few spotty thunderstorms even in our Cascades. And then in our west side valleys, expect another round of low triple-digit heat, and even our west side valleys cannot rule out a few isolated thunderstorms later this afternoon and into early evening. Timing out your Stormwatch 12 Stormcast, we'll get into around your 7 o'clock hour. You can see certainly east of the Cascades, we will be looking at ongoing thunderstorms at this time, Siskiyou County as well, and then again, a few of these storms may leak into our west side valleys. Going into your Saturday, we are still going to be looking at an isolated chance of a shower or thunderstorm in our region, but certainly in terms of storm chances, today is the banner day. We are holding on to a red flag warning for nearly our entire region, everywhere but Curry County. This red flag warning goes into effect at 2 o'clock this afternoon all the way until 11 p.m. tonight. Because we are expecting scattered thunderstorms, we are going to be looking at abundant lightning over dry fuels, and unfortunately some of these thunderstorms today may prove to be dry, so we could be looking at wildfire starts. Also, still have heat advisories in place until 9 p.m. for all of these areas in this orange color. That's 9 p.m. tonight. Our west side valleys until 11 p.m. tomorrow night is where we have excessive heat warnings, so just anticipate a hot day, a smoky day, and for some, a stormy day around the region. For the next 7 days, the coast will continue to see temperatures in the 60s. A slight chance of a few showers on the coast on Saturday and Sunday, but certainly nothing to write home about. Northern California, chances of showers and thunderstorms exist today. A slight chance tomorrow, but certainly the more pronounced day of storms will be as we go later into this afternoon and into early this evening. East of the Cascades, much like Siskiyou County, we are going to hold on to that chance of showers and thunderstorms today, tomorrow, and even into Sunday, but today is certainly going to be the most pronounced day of activity. By the time we get to Monday, we calm things down a bit and we cool things down a bit too. Through our mountains, chances of showers and thunderstorms will exist today. Slight chances then exist on Saturday and Sunday, and then in our west side valleys, anticipate a string continuing that triple-digit heat trend all the way through Sunday. Chances of showers and thunderstorms do exist today, so certainly be on the lookout for that.
Yeah, definitely a lot going on weather-wise.
Absolutely, a lot to track.
All right, thanks, Jeff.
Sure thing.